Okay, today's update. I still have no AC. Supposed to have it Monday though. So what has been done is a little bit more painting. So I've got all the gray walls painted, blue. It's called Adirondack blue, but it's kind of a bluish gray. I think it'll look good once it's all trimmed out with cherry baseboard and cherry crown molding, and then the columns to hold the side speakers. Starting to look like a theater, slowly and uncertainly. Downstairs, I have the Altec A7 Voice of the Theaters sitting there. They're not hooked up, and I've got some stacks of some of the equipment that will be used in the theater, some of the drivers and some of the amplifiers. Front bedroom is kind of temporarily a place to keep some of the model airplane stuff. Just kind of piled it all in here. Place is a mess. Generally just a mess everywhere. Piles of boxes over there. Piles of boxes over here. Garage is also a mess. Got some new shelves over there from Home Depot, $179 each on sale. CNC's a little ways from being set up. That's going to take a while, but I'll need that to build all the speakers and everything else for the theater. So I got to get working on it. Does anybody know anything about water softeners? And is this normal? This thing's got a little overflow hole, and it's full of water all the time, and dripping out that little overflow hole right there. So I can't believe that's normal, but I don't know anything about these things. So if anybody knows, let me know. Well, it's all a mess out here. It's going to take a while to get it together. And still some stuff in the 10 by 20 storage unit, and the 10 by 25 storage unit is still completely full. So the place is going to end up being too small. But I'll have to make it fit. I think that's about it for today. Oh, the theater seats are on their way. They said to be here in a couple of weeks. That's the Valencia Tuscanys. So a couple of weeks, hopefully by then the AC's on, hopefully Monday it's on, hopefully by then I have carpet upstairs, and hopefully by then I have the seats set up, and I'll have an update then, and it'll start to look more like a theater then. So that's it for now.